Uh-oh, guys, things are not looking so pretty right now for Bed Bath & Beyond stock. It's currently around, what time is it, 12:30 p.m., and we have Bed Bath & Beyond down 11%. It's right around 17 cents, and the thing is, earlier in the day, it was down even more at around, what time was that, 11 a.m., so about an hour and a half prior to me filming this video. This stock was at 13.6 cents, and since that point, we have recovered around 22%, so pretty big recovery, but at that point, we were down around, let me see here, percentage-wise, 30%. So yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond, guys, got itself in a hole earlier in the day. Now we're trying to claw our way out of it, and let's see how it goes. So we're going to break down the charts in this video, go over what I'm looking to do. Am I buying more on this dip, selling out? Am I panicking? Am I paper handing? We're going to break down everything in this video. So if y'all find value, smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe, and don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo up to 15 stocks, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below or on the side, or go to stasorfest.com/Moomoo. We'll talk more about that later. And now, cheers, guys. We have to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. And by the way, guys, look at what I have right here. I actually found this. I think I still have some money on this, but last I checked, they're not accepting gift cards. But look at what I have right here, guys. This is a good old Bed Bath & Beyond gift card. Bye-bye, baby. You guys see that? So, yeah, I'm a loyal supporter of good old Bed Bath & Beyond. I got some money on here, but again, I don't even think I'm able to spend it. Either way, whatever. It's money wasted. It's all good. But look, Bed Bath & Beyond stock is now up, or not up, but it's up a decent, well, I guess it is up from the low. It's, again, up around 23% from that point, but it's still down around 11% from the close of yesterday. And yesterday, you guys probably remember, we covered this in my video yesterday about Bed Bath & Beyond. We were consolidating right around 18, 19 cents. And you guys can see we've been doing that for the past couple of days, since pretty much the 9th, right? The 9th, the 10th, the 11th, pretty much all week we've been consolidating at around 18, 19, or just holding above that point. And the fact that now we gapped under that this morning, we fell right through it, we hit 13 cents, now we're trying to battle back up to 17. That in the short term, I'm not going to lie, it's not the best sign overall for the bulls. Now, in the short term, let's see if we can break back over 18.5 cents, 19 cents, retake that point, and start pushing 20 cents again. If that does happen, technically, guys, that would be a good sign for the bulls, right? So I'm going to set my alert right now. I'll put multiple alerts. I'll put one at 18 cents. Mark is at or above 18 cents, and I'll do another one. Let me do this now at, let's see, 20 cents, or maybe 19 cents, actually. We'll do another one at 19 cents. Mark is at or above. So again, we can see if we retake those levels that we were holding for the majority of this week, pretty much all of this week up until today. So BBBYQ needs to break 18, 19 cents. And if I pull the layers back a little bit, 10-day chart, guys, this actually doesn't look that bad for the bulls on this time frame. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? This is now seeing buying pressure above the 180 SMA, which is right around 13.5 to 14 cents, which, mind you guys, that's where we bottomed earlier in the day. If I pull the intraday up, you'll see it, 13.7 cents. That's a very good sign that buyers came in at that point right above the 180 SMA on this 10-day chart. Very, very good sign. And another thing worth mentioning is we held a higher low at that point. Do you guys see this? Boom, we hit 4.5 cents. We hit a low here a couple days ago, about a week ago, at 10, 11 cents. And now we're holding, again, 13, 14 cents right above that 180 SMA at another higher low. So in my eyes, guys, the bulls are still in charge right now, at least on the 10-day time frame, even though we're down almost 11, now almost 12% on the day thus far. So moving forward, it is absolutely critical for the bulls to hold this trend line right here. Absolutely critical. The one that I just drew, if I zoom in, you guys will be able to see it. Absolutely critical for them to hold this point. Now, if we start falling through 13 cents, we take the lows out from earlier today, we start falling under the the lows from last week, being about 10, 11 cents. That's not going to be good at all for the bulls. Keeping it real, guys. Like I say on these videos all the time, I'm not biased in one direction or the other. I'm going to tell you guys how the charts are looking and what's playing out in real time. That's the main purpose, one of the main purposes here of this YouTube channel, right? Not to shill or not to do this, not to do that, not to be biased or pump this or pump that. I know a lot of you guys, maybe not a lot of you guys, but some of you in the comments, not many of you at all, but they're like, oh, you're shilling this, you're talking about this, talking about that. I'm just being honest. I'm just breaking it down the way I'm seeing it, and I'll tell you the way it is, even if you don't want me to tell you that. I'm not one of these guys that's just going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you how it really is. And right now, that's what I'm seeing. The fact that, again, we're holding higher lows, we're holding this trend, even though we're down 11%. Bulls look like they're fighting. They're putting up a fight here, and that's the way I'm seeing it right now. But again, if we do break under 13 cents, we start taking out 10 cents, well, at that point, the bears are going to gain an edge. So let me set an alert here at 13 cents, and I'll put another one at 10 cents just because, why not? So mark is at or below 13 cents, and I'll put another one at 10 cents. Mark is at or below. There we go, 10 cents. And we'll see how it does moving forward. And as for my position, guys, I might add more later today. I haven't pulled the trigger yet, but I might add more as we are down a little bit today. And again, now we're pushing 17 cents. Look at that. Now we're getting buyers to come in. This could be a pretty nice dip buy if you do believe, of course, in the whole thesis behind Bed Bath & Beyond, that it's completely manipulated, that we're due for a short squeeze, a big one. If you believe in that thesis, which I do, but I'm also being realistic and playing devil's advocate, right? But if you believe in it overall, this could end up being a nice opportunity. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just speaking for myself because, again, retail pretty much owns the entire float. They're going to have to cover at some point. Shorts are going to have to cover. And, it's going to come at some point, in my opinion. But, of course, it's not guaranteed. But that's my thesis. And you guys probably share the same thesis as well. And we'll see how it ends up playing out. But overall, guys, I'm in this at 41 cents. I am down a good chunk, over 50%. And I might be buying more later today. We shall see, of course. I'll make another update video maybe later today if I do end up buying. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that good old notification bell. And if you haven't gotten your free stocks yet for Moomoo, use that link down below or go to StasSurFest.com/Moomoo. Listen, guys, once you open up an account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of the 4 stocks, on top of the 1 stock, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, don't be shy. Get your free money from Moomoo. Let me know what stocks you get in the comments. And let's quickly look at the overall markets right now, guys, which currently is 12:30, and the markets are not looking so good. We have the VIX up around 2%. We have the metals down. I mean, everything's down, guys. You name it. Silver's down 1.3. Gold's down 0.25%. We have the S&P down 0.5. Same with the Russell. The Nasdaq's leading the losses, down 0.7%, as the Dow is down 0.4. So let me actually pull up SPY and see where this is currently trading at. So it looks like, oh man, that's not looking so good. We have a double top here on SPY. You guys can see it on the 10-day chart. Boom, boom. Clearly, we have a double top there in the making. And honestly, this has been resistance for the past couple of days, right around 413, 414. Not only just yesterday, today, and the day before, but also really, last week we were struggling at about 414. So the fact that now we're dumping back under the moving averages on the 10-day, 30-minute, we're about to take the lows out from yesterday and maybe the day before. That's not the best sign overall here for the bulls in the very, very short term on SPY. And on Triple Q, let me pull that up and see. This is actually still holding trend. I mean, this still looks pretty bullish. We're above the 180 or slightly, well, we're slightly under it, but still we're breaking out of the ascending triangle on the 20-day chart, you guys can see, and on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see as well. So at this point, we're still above the moving averages on the 4-hour. Let's see if buyers come in, whether it's at 320, 322, to maybe push this thing up even higher. This could just simply be a little mini dip, right? A dip buy, if you will. Of course, I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I'm just breaking down the charts the way that I'm seeing them. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to get all your free stocks. Check out the Patreon while you're at it. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.